Ishan, what are you drawing with your magic pencil?
You'll see now. What's up guys, Tekshan here back with another video. You guys seem to love it and it has become my habit to bring you some interesting cool products. Right, here you go, another episode of Tech Under 1000 where I bring in some of the coolest products from all around the world. Let's get started. First in my list is a wireless calling bell, meaning a doorbell, but kinda smart with no wiring etc. needed. Traditional calling bell units look like this and are connected via electrical wiring. When you have a pretty large house with say upstairs, downstairs, garden etc., it becomes tough sometimes to hear the doorbell. This is where the smart wireless doorbell comes in handy. In the box we have two receivers, one transmitter, double-sided adhesive, and a sticker which says please ring bell. Manual, screws, that's about the box. You get two receivers. The receivers have a plug that goes into a power socket. A tone key helps to change tone up to 38 tones, which you can set to your liking. Volume keys. It has 3-level volume adjustment and oh boy, it's pretty loud. And the transmitter. Basically, it's the ding-dong switch which you need to place outside your main door. Connect the receiver to a power socket where you want the bell to ring. For example, living room, bedroom, etc. as you see in this pic. One in each location. This model comes with two receivers. There is also a 4-receiver model if you want to cover more areas. Then attach the double-side tape to the back of the transmitter and stick it wherever you want outside your door. And you are all set. No wiring and drilling mess. It's wireless and works with a normal battery inside. And by the way, the transmitter is also waterproof, so no need to worry of rain etc. if you're planning to attach it outdoors. On press, the units placed in your room start to ring the tone you have set. No wires etc. Just works. Cool, isn't it? Very handy if you have a large house, or especially if you have old people at your home, helps them a lot to hear the bell. Or even you can use it as a help switch for them to call. That's another use case. Multi-purpose wireless doorbell, hassle-free installation, and works like a charm. A handy one. Next is an IP camera from digoo. I always strive hard to find interesting home automation or home security products on a budget. This is one such product. It's a cool IP camera that can be used for home security. Best part is this camera also comes with cloud storage support, which I will explain in a bit. The box has the camera itself. Use a manual guide card. Scan the QR code for the manual, which is a must read. Here is the camera. You can see how small it is and easy to hang anywhere you want to. Front we have the wide angle lens, light sensor on top, indicator light in the bottom, micro SD card slot on the side for storage, back a reset switch and the speaker. It has two-way audio. It can record the surrounding sound and also play what you speak when connected remotely. Bottom a mic and the micro USB port which powers the camera. Sadly there is no cable and adapter in the box, so you need to attach it to one you already have. Cost cutting done here. Understood. Download the digoo Cloud app on your smartphone, follow the on-screen instructions and connect the camera to your home Wi-Fi internet. Point the camera towards the QR code on the app and you're all set. You get the camera feed even on a remote internet, say 4G. You can monitor it live via the app anytime. The camera has night vision, alarm, motion detection, and a few other features. The footage gets stored in the SD card or even remotely on your smartphone. However, as said, it supports cloud storage, so you can even directly store the footage to the cloud. It comes with 15 days free trial for the space, after which you can pay for the cloud storage, depending on your needs. Very handy to avoid footage theft. But if you don't want to use cloud, forget what I said and use a normal SD card. Here is a sample footage from the camera. It records in 720p. Overall, a must-have, compact, super impressive, budget-friendly security camera, jam-packed with features. Next up, when I say budget, there has to be a Xiaomi product. And here is one cool thing from Xiaomi, a mini fan. Package includes the fan, a base, USB cable, manual, that's about it. This looks really cool and well built. with a 7-blade design. Comes in 3 colors, green, blue and orange. It's an eye candy. It has 3-level fan speed and surprisingly is powerful enough. Airflow is good. Noise levels are minimal because of its brushless motor. Lightweight, handheld style and portable.
Shan, get to the video.
With a built-in 2000 mAh battery, charging takes around 3 hours and gives about 4 hours on a single charge. If you want to use it on your desk, go ahead, just attach it to the base and you should be good. If it had angle adjustment, would have been great. Minus that, it's a funky, cool, portable, durable fan and handy during summers. Next up is an English dictionary.
What? A dictionary?
Yeah, kinda.
But Shan.
Hey, do you remember that clock with a hidden vault that I brought in last time?
Yeah?
This is something similar to that.
Wow.
Detective type secret storage book. I found this to be very impressive. It looks like a normal dictionary. Actually, it's a secret box. Open the book. It has a metal vault with a number lock which you can set as per your need. Enter the correct passcode and open the box. You can store cash, jewelry, etc. and this time it's safe with a lock. Pretty cool, isn't it? The dictionary style book in disguise has added a sense of mystery which no one will find out if you place it in your bookshelf. Diversion safes like these provide the perfect hiding space for your valuables from prying eyes. A very handy one. Next up is a super cool product. A pair of nice gloves. People living in cold places often find it difficult to use their touchscreen smartphones when they are outside wearing gloves. So this product gives them a sigh of relief. Package has a pair of gloves, instruction manual, charging cable.
Charging cable, manual. Shan?
Oh yeah, this is a Bluetooth glove.
Huh?
This gloves is for people who live in the coldest region. They can wear these and use their phones. It is touch friendly, they can access their phones and touch will work without any issues. And to top it up, it has inbuilt mic and speaker in this fingertip, which allows you to take phone calls when connected via Bluetooth. Yes, it has inbuilt Bluetooth support. Long press the power key to enter into pairing mode, pair it via Bluetooth to your smartphone and you're all set. When a call comes in, you can speak via your finger by placing it like this. On a single charge, you can use it for max 6 to 8 hours. You can even listen to music and change tracks. I know it's crazy, but it's there. Call quality is okay, so is the music quality. Can't expect much, but definitely very handy. When you're in a cold environment, you need not take your phone out when a call comes in. Very useful, would make a great gift. Next is a 6-in-1 emergency survival kit. Very handy one during travel, camping, etc. Pretty solid box, super compact, says SOS. Inside you get a foldable multifunction plier which also has an LED flashlight. Cool. A knife, a screwdriver, a bottle opener and a few other things. Wow, that's amazing to cramp in so many things into one. Then one survival whistle in case you're lost in the forest. You can use this, or when you're shipwrecked and you want to call for help like Rose. Then a small compass to help you with directions. Then one flintstone to make fire. Yeesh, I don't want to give you a demo inside the studio, but yeah, by rubbing it, you can create fire. Then a multifunctional tool cart. This has almost everything, starting from a screwdriver, can opener, ruler, totally 11 tools in one, as you can see here. And finally, a survival fret saw. Yup, it's what you think. You can use it to cut wood, tree, etc. Given its price, it's pretty impressive and a must-have one that you should carry during camping, hiking, trekking, travel, etc. You never know when it will come in handy. I would highly recommend this for people who are adventurous and love outdoor sports. And finally, something nice for the price you pay. An Apple Watch.
What? An Apple Watch?
Style clone.
Oh, clone. Okay.
It's a smartwatch phone. Box has the watch, USB cable and a manual. Here you go, the Z60 Smartwatch. This has some pretty nice features. First, let's look at the build. This has a metal mesh type strap which gives a good look. 1.54-inch TFT color display. The body, however, is plastic build and tries to mimic the Apple Watch. Don't expect a very premium looking watch here. But yeah, it's good. Remember what you're paying for it. Comes in 3 colors, silver, gold and black. Side has a micro USB slot for charging and right a dial style home button. Coming to the features, it has a 380 mAh removable battery with 2 days backup on a single charge, a micro SIM slot and a micro SD card slot with 32GB support. This can be a standalone phone to attend calls, messaging, music, etc. Or when paired with your smartphone, can push alerts, notifications, etc. The usual ones. I don't want a phone on my wrist, so might stick with the pairing option. It has a VGA camera as well to take photos. Can you believe it? Yeah, it is there if you want one, but I don't think you'll be taking photos using that. Some features like changing watch faces, locate phone, alarm, music player, calculator, call recorder, etc. are all there. UI is okay, don't have high hopes given the price. If you want a basic smartwatch with some features and good looks, check this out. This will also make a good gift. Phew, so that's it for this video guys. Hope you loved the collection. As always, buy now links to the products will be in the description if you want to buy them. Do note that price fluctuates time to time, not in my control. That is why I have not mentioned the price next to each product. Also from the list, which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section. Would love to hear it. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech videos. We'll catch you in another exciting video. Until then, check out other cool videos on the channel, and as said, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon